Today's video is sponsored by Connecting. Hello and welcome to Excel Highway. Today's video, I want to share with you the second part of the employee scheduling system that I created, one that I called 4.0. In the first part, I covered how to build a schedule, all the functionality that you see over here with changing the date, adding employees, adding shifts, etc., etc. In this part, I want to talk about the new functionality, which is sending email notifications to your team members and a simple but effective analysis, which you could see some information about your shifts. So let's take a look at what changed. First of all, in the list sheet, you have an email section for your employees that you will need to fill out. You have the template of the email, which has, in this case, 4 rows. As many rows as you want, you can add here, and they will compile the body of the email. Every time there's a new cell, it's a new row in the email. There's a template for one email. So in this case, it's automatically assigned to the name that you selected, or you could have a hi team if you want to send an email to everyone on the list. The subject of the email, it's also something dynamic, but of course you can do whatever you want. Here I'm connecting it to the date that I've selected. So that's new. There are the pivot tables here, which feed the analysis sheet, and of course you can add pivot tables or change them. The analysis itself, basically, there's 4 charts here with slicers on top and a timeline. So if you change, everything will change. And I just put a few here, like number of shifts per month, so you can see the trend, total number of shifts for the period, and shifts by location and position. Just usually you can like select Amanda and see, all right, how many shifts did she have and which position. Let's look for someone a little bit more. Okay. Chef, a new role, a new place. So just some simple but effective analysis. All right. Now let's jump to the schedule. Let's take a look. Now, when you add an employee, we'll also ask for the email. And once you click OK, you're going to see it over here. Same thing when you delete the employee. It will also remove the email. So it's nice and clean. That's it update over here. Today's video is sponsored by Connecteam. Connecteam is an app that simplifies all of your business operation management. It's a perfect solution to manage, train, and communicate with your non-desk employees. Employees use the mobile app for everything, while managers can also use a desktop version with more abilities. Connecteam offers solutions for scheduling, time tracking, and more. Today I'll focus on the job scheduling feature. Using this feature, you can create shifts for your employees. Creating a shift is very simple. You can utilize templates or build from scratch. What's even better is the ability to repeat the shifts so you don't need to build them each week. Let's see how easy it is to create a shift. So I click here on the plus sign. I can get a template. Okay. Then I can also have repeats. So we can repeat every, say, 2 weeks. There's a shift on a Tuesday and a Thursday, and after 5. Save the repeat. Okay, I can change the start time, the end time, and I can change the title, specific users, or enable the users to claim the shift. Okay, it could be a location. I could add a note, check tasks, and I can also click on this, which is the shift tasks. So I can add tasks for the person to see. Um, check register, check window, clean windows, let's say. I don't know. All right, so I can add task and click on publish, and I have a new task, and you see this one has the shift tasks in it. What's really cool is I can also go over here, click on, actions, copy previous week. That's just going to show me whatever I had last week, which is very user friendly. Of course, I can always edit the shift. Say I want it to start at 10, and that it changed. Once I'm ready, I click on publish, and everything will be visible to my employees. Scheduling and unscheduling your employees is really simple. It's just drag and drop. When you're done, click on publish, and the schedule is ready. Your employees will see the schedule on their mobile phones. Okay, so we saw how manually I can schedule people, but what's really cool in Connecteam is you can auto schedule your shifts. Click over here, auto assign, and magic happens. Okay, everybody's assigned. I also want to show you that it can identify where there's issues or conflicts. Let's say I double booked myself. See here on the top where it says conflicts, there's also this icon, but if you click either here or there, you can see exactly what the conflict is. And to resolve it, I just have to move it over here, and then I don't have conflicts. So the conflicts. I wanted to show you how it looks like on the mobile view. When you access the app on the top right, you have the notifications, and you can see all the shifts that were auto-created by me 11 minutes ago. I can either accept or reject them. And I can also take a look at the job schedule. These are all shifts that were assigned to me automatically. Pretty cool. I highly recommend you start using Connecteam for your daily operation. Use my affiliate link in the description. Start your 14-day free trial or 1 year for up to 10 user companies. Now let's take a look at the send email. So if I click on the send email to one employee, it's going to ask me to select the employee from the list. So say Tim. Once I select it, it's going to ask me where to save the schedule. Create a PDF for that. And it will open Outlook. If it's not open for you, with the address of that person, the schedule, which we saw in the subject, the PDF itself attached, and the email. As you can see, hi Tim, please find attached schedule regards to log. If I go ahead and double click that, I'm going to see the schedule for that week. It's going to show whatever I had on the screen. So that's if you want to send one person an email. If you want to send an email to the entire team, so it's going to send an email to everyone here, regardless if they have any shifts or not. So I'm going to go ahead and click on send email to entire team. Again, it's going to create the PDF. It will be attached to the schedule. And create that email. This time, you can see I have those 5 people here as 2 addresses, same subject, same text, only here it has hi team. And of course, the same PDF. So that's how you can easily create email notifications for either one or more people. And of course, as you change the dates, the PDF that will be generated will be different. I hope you enjoyed the content and you learned something nice about what else you can do with Excel. If you did, please comment below. I'd like to hear your thoughts. Take care.